680 KKR. 7 crore CSK at 7 crore. 720 say KKR. 740 for the Super Kings. $740. 760. Thank you, Knight Riders. 780. Thank you, Super Kings. 7 crore 80. 8 crore it is. KKR is 8 crore. CSK asks for a moment. 820. 8 crore 20 CSK. Sure. Kolkata takes a moment. $820 with CSK. Kolkata thinks. 840. Thank you, sir. Kolkata's come back with 840. At 8 crore 40, Chennai asks for a moment as well. 860. CSK. 880. KKR. 9 crore for CSK. 9 crore. And 20 for KKR. 920 with KKR. Done? Done. At 9 crore and 20 lakh, it's Kolkata's bid at 9 crore and 20. Ahead of CSK, ahead of everybody else, at 9 crore and 20 lakh, and selling everybody else ahead of everybody else at 9 crore and 20 lakh. KKR, Mustafizur Rahman is yours. Our next